Another day, another story. Let's start. Here is a summary of ISRO's journey from the beginning. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, is the space agency of the Government of India, responsible for the country's space program. ISRO was established in 1969 as the primary space agency of the Government of India. 1. Early years. In the 1960s, India began to explore space with the launch of sounding rockets for atmospheric research. 1. ISRO was established in 1969 to consolidate and expand India's space capabilities. 2. Establishment. ISRO was established in 1969 with the aim of developing India's space capabilities and applications for national development. 3. Early achievements. In the 1970s, ISRO achieved its first major milestone with the successful launch of the Aryabhata satellite, which conducted experiments in X-ray astronomy and solar physics. ISRO also developed satellite-based communication technology and launched its first satellite for telecommunication in 1983. 4. Remote sensing and meteorology. In the 1980s, ISRO began to focus on remote sensing and meteorology, launching a series of satellites for weather forecasting, disaster management, and resource mapping. 5. Space exploration. In the 2000s, ISRO began to explore space with its Chandrayaan-1 mission, which discovered evidence of water on the moon. In 2014, ISRO successfully launched its Mars Orbiter mission, MOM, also known as Mangalyaan, which made India the first country to successfully reach Mars on its first attempt. 6. Achievements. ISRO has achieved several milestones in its history, including launching more than 100 satellites into space, developing the Chandrayaan-1, 2 and Mangalyaan missions to the Moon and Mars, respectively, and launching the IRNSS, Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System, for satellite-based navigation services. 7. Recent developments. In recent years, ISRO has continued to achieve significant milestones, including launching a record 104 satellites in a single mission in 2017 and developing its own regional navigation system, the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System, IRNSS. 8. Future plans. ISRO has several ambitious plans for the future, including the Aditya L1 mission to study the Sun, a manned space mission, and the Gaganyaan mission to send Indian astronauts to space. ISRO is also working on developing reusable launch vehicles and satellite-based internet services. 9. Structure. ISRO is headed by a chairman, who reports to the Department of Space under the Ministry of Defense. It is divided into several centers and units, each with a specific area of focus. 10. Objectives. ISRO's primary objective is to harness space technology for national development, particularly in areas such as communication, remote sensing, and meteorology. 10. It also aims to promote international cooperation in space research and exploration. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to channel Unknown Bot.